Today's story is about colors of harmony. In a lively town, there was a gifted artist named Anaya. Her paintings weren't just colors on canvas, they told stories inspired by ancient teachings. Anaya begins her day facing a blank canvas, symbolizing the potential in every moment. Anaya believes colors express emotions. As she blends them, the image captures the magic of combining feelings to create something beautiful. Anaya emphasizes mindfulness in art, showing her deep concentration as she uses her brush to express thoughts and emotions. Anaya believes in the unity of all. The image shows a tree with roots connecting diverse creatures, symbolizing our shared existence. Anaya teaches impermanence through her changing artworks, reflecting life's transient nature. Anaya shows the beauty of harmony and contrast, blending colors to symbolize the balance and embracing both light and dark aspects of life. Anaya expresses gratitude to her creations, appreciating each stroke that brings her art to life. The story ends with Anaya creating a masterpiece that celebrates unity among diversity, showcasing various elements coming together.